Do you think Trinamool, what Trinamool says, is it relevant in today's time when the people of Bengal has given such a huge mandate against them and for BJP, for this ruling government? It doesn't make a difference what Trinamool is saying. Does Trinamool want that BJP, this new government, also gives Annapurna Bhandar to those Rohingyas and Bangladeshis who are making a long queue to flee to Bangladesh? Now you go to the border areas and to Hamidpur, you will see these long queues, and they are themselves saying that we have been getting Annapurna Lokhir Bhandar for the last so many years. So definitely we don't want to give Annapurna Bhandar or any government scheme to people who are not our citizens. And this is our money, this is your money, this is public's money. So definitely we need that data. I mean, who is not giving governments vaccination to their children? We need to know that. Those who are allowing their children to study in Khariji Madrasa, we need to know that, because we are saying that please, these Khariji Madrasas shouldn't be there. Those who are giving income tax, I think those women, my sisters, should definitely on their own not take Annapurna Bhandar. They should say that no, we don't need it. We are giving income tax. So definitely we don't need to take lessons from TMC after 15 years. The way they have cheated the people of Bengal, we don't need to hear sermons from them. Sorry.
Okay. Nidhi, probably this is for the first time in 15 years, a minister for urban development have come to office on a national holiday and did an administrative meeting. Was there any discussion regarding the civic body? Because most of the councillors have stopped attending offices. The basic civic, facilities which a citizen must get has been stopped. Many municipalities have stopped working. Was there any discussion on it? How they will run? Will the SDA will take
See,
over?
first of all, we the MLAs of BJP party of the ruling government, there is not a working day, there is not a special day or a national holiday or a Saturday, Sunday for us. We know that we have a lot of promises to be fulfilled by us, given by us, and the time is 5 years. So we are there on a national holiday. I'll be there tomorrow, and of course, in the coming days to come. Our Honorable Minister, Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar ji, is coming day after tomorrow. So that's the reason we need to make all kinds of preparations, and we will be asking for fund for various projects for the coming 1 year. And we are very serious about it. We would request Honorable Minister to give us fund to carry on these projects. Some are new projects, and we will be launching the app that I told you, the name which we have given Shotcho. That app will be launched by Honorable Minister and Honorable Chief Minister on the 30th, sorry. And we are making it a pilot project for 10 municipalities to start with. Okay. So that will be launched. There are a lot of preparations, and that is the reason we called a meeting today. Only the closed officers.
Last question is that TMC
বাংলাটা করছি এটা হিন্দিটা করে
Didi TMC MP Kakali Ghosh Dostidar wrote letter to Speaker Om Birla
complaining against
Kalyan Banerjee on misbehaving with women MPs.
Do I have to make a comment on Honorable MP Shrimati Kakali Ghosh Dostidar on insulting a woman MP, or rather a woman? I don't know whether I should comment on it, because TMC means insulting women. TMC means demeaning, making personal attack on women. TMC doesn't know how to respect women. That is not only about Shrimati Kakuli Dostidar, it is about every other women of Bengal. And talking about corruption, which Mr. Kullan Bandyopadhyay, Honorable MP, is leveling against this MP, Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar. Again, how can you, do you have the right to speak on corruption from any TMC Vidayak or MP or ex-chief minister? I don't think they have the right. TMC as a party have lost the right to comment on corruption and women atrocity and insulting women. It is their internal matter. I don't think even people of Bengal are ready to hear about all these nonsense. We, the ruling government, the new government, the positive government is completely focused, as I told you before also, only on development. And the people of Bengal are by us. So we really don't have much time to lose on these kind of nuisance issues.